Love consultant present. 3 mistakes men do that make women difficult to satisfy in bed. The most common problem women face when making love is satisfaction in bed. Yes, compared to men, most women find it difficult to achieve satisfaction. The slightest disturbance will make a woman fail to reach the peak. There are various factors that make it difficult for women to be satisfied, and one of them turns out to come from their own partner. Some of the habits of male partners during lovemaking, instead of making women achieve satisfaction, actually thwart it. What are they? Number 1. Too intense stimulation. Sometimes men overstimulate their partners. This is thought to make women lust faster. In fact, this has the opposite effect. Giving direct stimulation in the genital area or putting too much pressure on sensitive points actually prevents women from achieving pleasure. We recommend giving indirect stimulation to sensitive areas. Do it slowly and gently. Start from the upper part of her body, then move towards the abdomen, giving a touch to the legs or thighs. When the woman enjoys the stimulation, then go to the misfit part. Number 2. Giving too many compliments. Women love compliments. That's what makes men give out a lot of compliments during lovemaking. Praising her body, her prowess, and so on. However, be careful in doing this. Too much praise actually kills her desire to make love. Women can get ill-feeling, even difficult to achieve pleasure. Most compliments will also sound insincere and fake to a woman's ears, as if men praise just to get the pleasure of making love. It's best if men don't talk too much during intercourse, we advise, because making even the slightest harmless comment can prevent a woman from getting her satisfaction. Number 3. Changing the rhythm of love or stopping suddenly. Another male habit that can prevent women from getting satisfaction is a sudden change in the rhythm of lovemaking. When you are about to reach the peak, the penetrative movements of the man should be in the same rhythm. Anything faster or slower can ruin the whole thing. Sometimes men speed up their movements because they are too excited. This can make it difficult for the woman to achieve satisfaction if the man starts penetration at a slower tempo. Stopping in the middle of penetration can also mess up the mood of the couple. When the woman says, "Don't stop," then stay in that position. A little bit of trying to be creative will take away from the couple's enjoyment. Hopefully this information can provide positive benefits for all of you. Tell us your opinion in the comments column. Happy greetings to me, you, and all of us.